Yo, what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today's video tutorial is about how to connect your Battle.net Blizzard account to your Twitch account. So let's jump in. The first thing that we need to do is go to our preferred browser and sign in into our Battle.net or Blizzard.com, this account. Okay, after that what you need to do is head over to your profile here and then go click on account setting. Now, after a bit of that, this setting will pop up. Now, what you need to do is you need to go to connections, right? Now, click on connections here on the left side of the window, and all these options will pop up. Now, what you need to do is you need to search for Twitch, which is going to be the last one in alphabetical order. This is Twitch. Click on this blue button, connect button. Click here, and it'll tell you that there will be 7-day cooldown period. Like if you connect it to this Twitch account after you disconnect it, it's gonna require 7 days. After that, you'll be able to connect it to any other account. So you click on connect. Now it's gonna take a bit of a loading, and it's gonna show this, which is your Twitch account. It's gonna say that Battle.net is requesting your identity, all the informations that are required for these two accounts to connect. Now what you're going to do is you're going to authorize it if this is the account that you want to connect it to. If not, then you can click on not you, log out, and then log in with your account. Click on authorize and wait a bit. After a bit of waiting, it's going to say successfully retrieved your Twitch account detail, and after that, click on continue. Now established. Now as you can see, your Twitch account, the name of your account, is connected to your Battle.net account. Now you go back to connection, and if you go head down here, you'll see that Twitch is connected. Okay, now once this is done, what you need to do is go to your Twitch. Okay, go to twitch.tv, and here what you need to do is click on your profile and go to settings. Right, now once you're in setting, now what you need to do is you need to go to connections. You click on connections, and you'll see that here is where you connected to your Steam, YouTube, Twitter account, and other. And if you scroll down, you will see that here it is other connections, and you will see that Blizzard Battle.net is connected 2 minutes ago. Sometimes there is a delay when connecting these two accounts, but here you can see that it got established pretty quickly. So you can disconnect it from here by clicking on this icon, or you can go to your Blizzard account and disconnect it from here. Both ways it works. So you can also come here and see that whether you've connected your Twitch account to something and forgot about it. If you are if you take care of your privacy and take care of all your sign-ins, so you can also find them here in the other connections. So yeah, that's pretty much it from this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.